This is a typical air blowing washing machine. It uses to wash some clean some bottles like glass bottles or plastic bottles. It works this way. The machine needs air, need air supply, compressed air. Also, there is a fan inside on the other side, a fan inside to produce the vacuum. So it works this way. The air blowing to the bottle and at the same time sucked back from this nozzle, from nozzle here. So the air cycle this way to get the dust inside out. So this is the working way, and it is adjustable for different size bottles. The height adjustable from here, and also we can make a different size. This cover used to seal the opening of the bottle to make sure this is a sealed space. So the air blowing in and suction out. This is the HMI control. We put it automatic page, a manual check each function. Manual check from here, also parameter setting for the function. We can put another whatever language you want to the screen. From backside, we can check the system. Air from here blowing in, and also this fan produce a vacuum to get the air inside the bottle out to here. We have another bag to collect the dust. This is the air recycle blowing and then collecting.